Hello and welcome back to Developers Diary. In the previous tutorial, we were looking into the date picker. Today, we shall explore rich text editor and text field with autocomplete. So let's log into your workspace, go to the app builder, then choose an application or create a new application. I'm going to choose existing one, then create page. This time select interactive report, enter the name employee text editor and then select include form, employee text editor form, page mode is draw, and provide source table, which is employees. Click next, choose the primary key and click create page. So this is the interactive report page. We shall move to the next page, which is the employee form. For the first name, let's select rich text editor. Then we have the format. In the format, we have HTML and Markdown. So for this one, we shall use the Markdown and select the last name, choose rich text editor, and format is HTML. In course of HTML, you have toolbar options, basic, intermediate, and full. And toolbar style is multiple, multi-line, and overflowing. Then you have minimum height, maximum height, and that's all. Now run the application. Click the rich text editor. Okay, let's select the second record. In this record, this one is text editor with markdown option format, and this is for HTML format. So let's mark is bold, and similarly here mark as bold. Now click apply. Now you can see that the markdown displays the static signs in the interactive report, and the HTML rich text editor shows the HTML text. So if you want to display only name without this HTML text, go to the page editor, go to the interactive report, select the column which is the last name, and in the properties disable this escape special characters. Save and run the report. Now you can see that the HTML text converted and only the data is showing. Now click again. So you can see that Ali and Ahmed both are showing in the bold format. So this is the rich text editor. So let's move to the second topic, which is the text field with auto complete. So for example, in the case of email, We choose text. We are in the file. Open the form and then select the email and choose the text editor. In that case, we need to provide the LOV or list of values. Select email from employees and validate your query. Click OK. Save and refresh. Back and refresh. Now, in that case, auto complete. Whenever you start typing in the properties, minimum character. When you type a single character, it will fetch the record from the table with respect to that character. For example, type A. So it will show all the records in which A is include or contain because we have choose the match type option contains and ignore case. We have multiple options, for example, contain and case sensitive, exact and case sensitive, contain and ignore case, exact and ignore case. By default, contain and ignore case is default. So whenever you type, for example, I type Ali, then I have two records with this string letter and Usman. We have only one record in this table. So this is text field with autocomplete. Usman test. We shall update it. Google.com and apply changes. So you can see that the changes have been done. If you want to increase the minimum character, for example, 2, so when you type 2 characters, then searching will start. For example, XYZ, I have typed 1 character, but it is not searching anything. When I press the second character, it will search the table and provide the matches string. So this is the purpose of this minimum character. So that's all for today. I hope you have learned something useful at Developer Diary. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.